What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Mind Junkie na ang pamagat ay 5 scary ghost videos caught on camera. So make sure mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Mind Junkie. So wag na natin patagalin to. Let's go sa go.
5 scary ghost videos caught on camera. Number 5. Freaking the cats out. The kitty can be seen sitting on its behind on the bed. You could argue that there's nothing strange about that. Cats are weird. But it's quite possible that the cat was stressed and afraid of something it can feel but not see. Then a shadow is seen in the hallway and the cat looks over curiously. Another cat is seen peeking in, as if to check out what's going on. Not long after, the table to the left of the cat is moved, and the door starts to slowly close by itself.
Ay nako, katakot to. Mamma mia.
Suddenly, the camera is turned towards the wall and shuts off. It's not clear what.
Alam nyo, mostly sa mga ganyan, mga hayop, kaya mga kagaya ng pusa, malaki yan chance na may nakikita sila na hindi natin nakikita. Most likely, yung mga ganyan.
Happened to the cats after that. Number 4. Messing with an employee. On October the 23rd, 2020, an employee at the Extract Lab distillation room was left unimpressed and a little rattled. While the employee did his duty, a jar of full spectrum distillate was pushed off the table to the left of the employee. It broke, and the poor employee quickly left to get some assistance. He headed to get the help of Dr. John Thompson, the CEO of Extract Lab. He wasn't amused by the situation. The unsettled employee claimed it wasn't a human error, but ghostly interference. He was dismissed, and another one was sent in to clean up the mess.
Alam nyo, imposibleng may tali yun para sa akin. Kasi, isipin nyo, kung may tali, makikita yan sa camera eh. Kahit ganyan yan. Para sa akin na, imposibleng may tali. Kasi diretso talaga siya eh. So, balikan natin eksena. Ayan o.
A jar of full spectrum distillate.
So, dun nga, sa bagay na yun, halatang hindi peke yung itong eksenang to. Hindi siya peke o hindi pineke.
Pushed off the table to the left of the employee. It broke, and the poor employee quickly left to get some assistance. He headed to get the help of Dr. John Thompson, the CEO of Extract Lab. He wasn't amused.
Saka kung prank yan at o peke yan, bakit niya tatawagin yung amo niya, diba? Ano yung ilalagay pa niya sa alanganin yung trabaho niya para lang dyan?
By the situation, the unsettled employee claimed it wasn't a human error, but ghostly interference. He was dismissed, and another one was sent in to clean up the mess. Another jar of distillate is moved towards the edge of the table. The worker sees it before it can fall to the ground and puts it back in place. This is all that was shared on YouTube, and it's not clear if more happened. Number 3. Peeping spirit.
Peeping spirit.
It starts with the person holding the camera asking for cigarettes, and the girl in the video telling him where to find some. When he reaches the bedside table, his friends go quiet, and the girl asks, "Did you hear that?" When asked what she heard, she says there's something outside. What appears to be a white mist moves away from the door. The video ends there, leaving one to wonder what happened next. Number 2. Japanese.
Totoo kaya yun? Nakakatakot yun, no? Yung, lalo na bukas yung bintana. O sliding door ba yun? Ewan ko, comment nyo na lang kung talagang kung peke or totoo.
Ghost lady.
Naku, Japanese.
A group of Japanese friends were enjoying a night out.
Pag Japanese, legit to, nakakatakot to.
On the town, when they started smelling something bad. At first, they laughed it off. Then, they decided to smoke in an attempt to mask the smell. Eventually, they gave up and left the restaurant, fearing the sushi may be off. However, before leaving, they noticed a pale and sickly-looking woman. They commented on how it looked like she had food poisoning. Although they didn't notice at first, the woman had slowly turned her head to look at them, and it was eerie, to say the least. It wasn't the last the group saw of the woman either, and things got worse. She seemed to have followed them to the train station. There, she walked in front of an oncoming train, but vanished at the last second, only to appear beneath the train a few seconds later.
Uy, ano yun? Ba't nagkaganon yun? Hala. Ang gabi yun ah. Katakot yun ah. Ano yun? Sinanibang kaya yun?
Before we move on to number 1, we'd appreciate it if you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to be notified of when we release a new video. Number 1, Ghostly Grandmother. Our last video was people divided. It's not a long video and starts with a lady watering plants late at night. Sure, that's a bit weird, but each to their own. Soon enough, a black, shadowy figure can be seen coming into view and standing still.
Ay, oo nga, no, meron. May anino.
A few orbs can be noticed, which many paranormal believers think is a sign of ghostly activity. If you look closely, it does seem like the figure is walking after the woman in the video and stopping to stare at her.
Nakakatakot yung ganun, no? Lalo sa mga probinsya, yung magche-check ka nung, diba sa mga farm, may puguan kayo, may itlogan, di ba minsan lalo na sa gabi, tinitignan pa kayo ng may-ari, kukumustahin kung okay ba yung mga alaga nila, kung nangingitlog pa. Yun yung nakakatakot, mostly yung nakatayo yun sa mga madidilim na lugar. Kaya ito yung bahay, tas sa kabila pa, napakadilim dun. Yung nakakatakot pa lalo kung i-check pa sa gabi. Nang creepy ng ganun.
Those 5 scary ghost videos caught on...
Tapos na pala. Grabe, pinaka natakot ako doon, nagulat doon sa Japanese. Di ba, kakagulat, nasagasaan ng tren. Di ba, ang creepy nung mukha, tapos ang creepy pa nung kilos niya. Bihuin mo, pupunta siya doon sa tren, dire-diretso siya. Ayun nga, napansin ko din na sinusundan niya yung mga, parang sinusundan niya yung kumukuha ng video. Tapos, bigla out of nowhere, pupunta siya doon sa, sa tren, sa release mismo, tapos nagpasagasa. Niisip ko, hindi kaya sinaniban yun. Ayun, nakakatakot. Ang dami ko na naman sinabi, pasensya na po. Actually, share ko lang ulit na itong bago kong setup. Diba? Madilim, subukan natin. Parang mas nakakatakot din eh. So, ayun, tapos na tayo. Subscribe kayo dito, Mind Junkie. Diba? Napakaganda ng mga video din ito eh. Saka syempre, mag-subscribe din kayo sa akin channel na Master Renz at pakiclick na rin ang bell button para lagi tayo magkasama sa panonood. Thank you so much po sa pagsama and ingat po kayo palagi.